one and the same. Gave you another name. Switch up the batteries. If you gave me a chance, I would take it. It's a shot in the dark, but I'll make it. No, with a little hope, you can't shame me. When I am with you, there's no place I'd rather be. No, 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 no place I'd rather be. No, 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 no place I'd rather be. No, 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 no place I'd rather be. We stayed out on a mission.
Wait, apparently items are appearing and disappearing from TI?
What?
No, I think that they like two people just took it out at the same time, and the item's still there, and they just need to double click where it is.
Just,
Like you know how sometimes when
yeah.
you move your inventory too fast.
Yeah, it's slightly bugged. Okay.
I am going to mine full diamond.
Cool.
Can I get the enchant table by the way?
It's in TI
Speaking
by
of
the
the
way.
devil, I just found more diamonds.
It should be still being TI.
Yeah, I got it.
Anyone have 1 diamond? LOL. Okay.
I
No,
have 4.
I'm not giving you my 4. Actually, so I can make boots, correct?
Yeah, go for it.
Alright, cool. Alright, just tell me whenever I can take a chance then. I'm taking a few books.
Bruh.
Mate, there's like 12 left. There's like 10 left in there, okay?
Whoa, boy, Skelly, hello, bye.
They need to borrow me, mate. They need to borrow me.
There's 2 Skellies.
Just be
There you
careful,
go.
I guess.
Enchant table's back there.
Thank you, mate.
Oh, hi. Oh! Oh!
Good. What?
Oh my god, he was like right in my face!
Go heal a couple times. Oh, you're frozen.
Okay.
No.
Okay. Are you having a miniature heart attack? Then need to forge a will with my name in it. I think he's good. I think he's having a minor malfunction. I think he's minor heart attack.
Whoop. I haven't jumped like that in a while.
I'm just gonna down to a min.
Minecraft is a horror game, bro.
Yeah.
Yeah. Have you ever played Herobrine's Mansion? It's scary as hell.
Okay. I'm good.
Good to hear.
And log out now. Bye.
Alright, bye.
Oh, God.
So does that mean we just kill him now? Yes, shit.
No.
Yeah, I haven't heard a no from any other teammates. Only you.
No.
The target's
No
vote
for
is
what?
The target's vote is invalid, by the way.
What? I know for what?
No, the killing Alan. He said
No,
he
I
says
would-
he's going. So I mean,
I
he's
would
not that
like
useful.
not to kill Alan.
He's not that useful anymore.
What?
I would not like to kill Alan.
Damn, that sucks.
Thanks.
Oh, more diamonds. I'm probably gonna make depending on how big the vein is. I'm probably gonna make helmet, maybe pants. Probably go with bad pieces. To be fair.
Has anyone got extra diamonds on them with it?
Nope. Actually, I have 4.
I just
Can you drop me those 4, Alan?
Why?
Oh,
Well,
more
because I want to
diamonds.
make a chest plate.
Why?
Because I have 4 on myself, and you've already got chest plate boots, haven't you?
Bruh.
Oh, Norma.
Cheers. Appreciate it.
Do you have anvil yet, or is no one's like doing that yet?
I made my own. I can drop it, but I'm just surprised no one else made theirs. Can I get the enchant table, by the way?
No.
Alan, you're being really toxic, you know.
That's me normally. Don't know what you're talking about. Actually, wait, I forgot to enchant my pants. Fuck.
Sounds more like a you problem, to be fair.
Oh, I found diamonds while staircasing, and it's
Ah!
Nathan.
Oh, I did not know creepers were that fast.
I'm gonna make legs now.
Alright, so I'm gonna. You guys want me to make? You guys fine if we make a chest plate then, or you guys want me to make a different piece?
Go for it. Make a chest plate.
Alright, cool. Alright. Who has an chance right now?
Yeah, I've got them on
Match.
me at the minute.
See time.
Okay. Can I not get jump scared again, please?
But I'm using the anvil temporarily. I'll work around just for now. I'm just gonna use it so I get enough levels for that stuff.
Can I get an ample, by the way? Yeah, I know. I just need to use it because I want to put this Protopod 2 book on my legs.
The what? Okay, it's just going back and forth. Yeah, I'll work on my own. I'm working on my own right now. I thought we were sharing it, right? Sharing it. You're a lot of mods.
I put enchanted stuff in the TI.
Thanks, mate.
Ooh, more gold.
Fuck that. Fuck right now. Fucking hell. Does anyone has like, fucking hell. I'm trying to. I can't get a fucking prop book or prop on anything really.
I'm glad Pat isn't playing this because I'm already being targeted by 2 people.
Well, I mean, it would have been 3, but I'm sadly on your team, so bucket list has to be complete today. But you know, that's how it works.
I still don't have water yet. This is absurd.
Yeah, I found water. I only found out one bit of water while caving, and that's it. My luck for that stuff has been immensely painful. Oh well. Alright.
Okay, nope.
Anvil and Chance are back in the TI, by the way, so
Thank
y'all
you,
can
I
send-
needed
you need
those.
to. It's all good. I'm working on my own anvil, by the way, so just whatever I can use it up, I'll just let you know if you need it anymore.
Okay, I need more 10 more levels, and then I've got power 4.
The fuck? Okay,
Go.
while you're just going a lot better than I am, I'm just failing to get barely anything.
I also
going
have a
right
stack and 36 gold.
I
now. Huh. That's still my confidence for me carrying my weight is not going well.
I have a half stack of gold.
have 11.
Good. Me and Alan know what's going on.
Alright, Madge will pop up, don't worry.
Like we always do, brother. That's why I picked you. You telling me I'm wrong?
No. I won't let you down. Try my damnedest. I might go up and try and get more food. That is what I'm currently lacking.
Do you, wait, you need food?
Yeah.
Whoa. the mobs. If you need fuel, I'll give you food. I'm surviving on mushroom stew right now, so you just take all my meats, I guess. Can someone put the anvil on TI real quick?
No,
Yeah, can do.
Thank you.
We start getting our own anvils, by the way.
no.
That's what I
It's so
said.
it's so easy. Like I made
Yeah,
this one.
yeah.
And I'm having to pass it around.
Every cave I'm going to has like no iron whatsoever. That's why it's complete
When I first got the enchant, I enchanted 4 swords and 3 books, and I made my own anvil.
Yeah, issue is I'm like a crap ton of zombies next to me.
Just kill
I'm
them all.
90% sure it's a spawner right next to me.
Oh, I killed a witch. Let's go, boys.
Another bow.
Which is which?
Joseph, I am told you are not allowed to get any kills.
What? Who?
By whom?
Firestone.
Well, I mean, why?
Why?
He said it's my one job, apparently.
No, I got 3 kills in the first season. I want to get more.
Yep.
I would like to have a positive KD in a round.
Imagine having a positive KD, lol.
I currently have an infinite KDA in this round.
Why are you playing this season then?
Why?
Keep it up. Let's keep it
Keep it
up,
up, man. Only people who get an infinite KDA and then don't play are
I
cowards.
mean, to be fair, I'd rather retire on a high note than a low note.
Yeah, but wouldn't it be like epic? Ooh. I go there. Wouldn't it be better if like you continue to win?
Yeah, that's only if I'm confident enough to actually think I would win, which, judging by my standards, it's
Impossible.
low possibility.
Hold on, I'm on a...
Oh, TI's apparently broke. I'm grabbing all the shit in TI and
Oh,
putting it in my
I
inventory.
have the anvil on me.
Yeah, I just got everything else, sorry.
I have the enchants.
Oh boy, broken scenario. Gotta love those during mid recording.
I mean, it's not really a main game mode, is it?
Well, it's a side game mode, still those game mode.
I think it's someone apparently put their stuff in TI and disappeared. I don't know how. Can't explain how either.
It's most likely a bug, to be fair. Well, I guess I'm the one with the anvil then.
I'm still yet to take damage. I am the greatest Iron Man you'll ever see.
How? It's nightmare mode. Are you literally just playing that safe or just lucky?
Well, no, I have 2 stacks of gold. I'm 3/4 diamond.
Oh,
Nice.
you're just lucky.
No,
Good.
I'm just Major Wolf.
You just Major Wolf. Okay, this is
That's the answer to everything.
just your answer to everything is your own name. Quite an ego you have there, but you know
Yes.
what? I'm not gonna question it, mate. I ain't gonna question it.
When you're Major Wolf, you have to have an ego the size of a balloon. A big one.
Balloon.
I was more referring to a blimp, but sure that works.
A blimp.
Well, the thing is, a blimp can't get any bigger. A balloon can.
That is true.
Oh, me fair. You could construct the
It could
blimp to be
also pop.
You could construct the. They both get popped, but they just
Yeah, that's the whole point.
That's called a fragile ego. For example, we could say imagine dumbass idiot, and voila.
I'd cry.
You start crying. You start crying.
Oh man.
Yeah, bro. Rosef, what have you done?
I'm trying to comfort him, bro.
Alan, what have you done?
Foss, what have you done? I'm gonna
Alan,
log
what-
out because I don't like you.
Alan, what have you done?
Oh, it's bigger now.
What, you mean his ego?
No, TI.
TI.
That's fixed now. Hey. Yo, is anyone have spare apples at all? Or no? I'll take that as a no.
No, sir.
Does anyone have water near them at all?
No, sir.
Good to know. So fast melting's now stopped working for me.
Good.
How?
Now it's back. Now it's back to working.
How?
But it's kind of bugged for a second. No, it just is. Does anyone have any spirit? Does anyone have like 3 string I could have?
Yeah, I can grab you one more if you give me a sec.
Yeah, take your time. Don't rush it.
Yeah.
I'm slowly trying to work on making a bow. To name it something like messaged by Conefish or change.
Oh wait, can I get the ammo by the way?
It should be a TI.
Yeah, I've got power 4. Actually, I need one more level because I want to name it as well.
Oh, cool. The anvil should be in TI, so I'm not the one who has it.
I think I should mine these diamonds. I should hopefully have
Mm-hmm.
enough levels. Yeah, I'm full diamond by the way,
Nice.
I'm half chest and
and I have
boots.
2 spare, so I'll put the 2 in
Oh.
TI.
I'll take. I will happily. I will. Fuck. 2 spare. Fuck. One
Oh,
off.
they're mine.
Fuck it. Fuck. Fuck.
Yeah. Fuck. 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 Fuck.
Fuck. Fuck. Fuck. Fuck. Fuck. Fuck.
Fuck.
I-
Fuck.
Can somebody
Release.
put enhancement table?
Enhancement table.
Yes.
Yeah,
The enhancement table.
With the enhancement table.
And I
Also,
guess.
put books in there as well. People still have.
Oh no,
Right.
I finally took damage, guys.
Oh.
And it wasn't even to a mob, it was fucking lava.
Match.
I misplaced my water and it
Madge, you fucked us.
yeah, I fucked this man.
You fucked us. We're on a streak, and you just screwed us up, man. Just. Like,
Yes,
it's-
we were on a streak. We
were on a streak. Yes, we were on a streak of bullying Alan. You messed it up. Damn.
What?
We could bully you now for losing your Iron Man.
Can I get the
Oh.
enchant table by the way?
No.
Bro,
Because you're bullying
Roma
me?
Mentos?
No.
I haven't been bullying you, Alan.
Well, it was mainly just me, but you joined in spirit.
Fork you, Fost.
Oh yeah, you wanted books, right, Broseph?
yeah.
Like a TI with the ammo. I'll put the enchant table in there as well.
Fuck. I already have my own anvil, so
I have 2 stacks of gold, by the way, and I have no apples, so I have to go get some.
Oh. Cave spider spawner. Yeah, fuck that.
Fuck that shit, I'm out.
Correct. Thank you for terming correctly, mate. Appreciate the narration.
I found more
One.
diamonds.
Cool.
More?
More!
Give me more!
Feed me more! I miss Ryback.
I don't. I did not intend for a reference, but okay.
Who has any chance right now?
Nobody.
I do.
Just whatever you're done. Pump
I have 3 extra diamonds, put them in TI.
Hey,
Me.
dibs.
It's my diamond pick.
Mate, I just took him. Too slow.
Bruh.
Alright, mate, helmet. Sorry, mate. Just gotta be quicker than that.
Bro.
Just gotta be quicker than that. Sorry, Alan. You just gotta be quicker than that, mate. Just
Bro.
how the world works.
Bro.
Oh, that's gold.
Hey, more demons. It's poor again, sigh.
Yeah.
What's Chloe on?
Probably low.
Close on 7%.
Oh, the fuck?
Yeah, low.
Yeah, that is low. Bros, if you done
Those levels?
Levels,
What?
I have 9. I have 9. How
Can
many do you
someone
need?
try and get me like a Proj Prop book? Because I cannot for the life of me.
Yeah, they're really rare to get. I managed to get a Prospect 2 book, luckily.
Damn, it's good.
If anybody can get that for me, I put the books in.
Yeah, I'll get it in a
Yeah.
sec. I need smart up an anvil.
They should be an anvil in TR already. It's just what
Do you want Prosh Pop book?
Yeah.
Okay. I need to enchant some other stuff first.
Yep. Okay, cool.
So what do?
Stuff.
Bye.
End of episode.
I wanna.
Different and the same. Gave you another name. Switch up the battery.